Have you ever thought that buying a new SUV means bracing yourself for a string of jaw-dropping repair bills? The truth is, not every model will give you such a headache. Among the dozens of SUVs hitting the market in 2025, only a few are truly built to run forever without breaking down, keeping maintenance costs unbelievably low. And here's the surprising part. Some can even surpass 200,000 miles with just basic upkeep. So, which SUVs are the ones you can buy once and trust for a decade? Let's dive in and find out. Comment number 1 if you enjoyed the video, or number 2 if you didn't. Thank you. 12. Toyota Corolla Cross. The name alone feels familiar, doesn't it? But the 2025 version isn't just a compact urban SUV. It's a true road companion for those who want to drive without constantly worrying about breakdowns. With a starting price of about $23,000 and a top-tier model nearing $30,000, the Corolla Cross offers a rare balance of affordability and durability. Statistics show an average maintenance cost of just $450 per year, significantly lower than the segment average. Many owners report easily pushing their vehicles past 200,000 miles with only routine care. Another big plus is Toyota's extensive service network across the U.S., with readily available parts and reasonable repair costs. In other words, you won't dread maintenance visits. Add to that a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, and the Corolla Cross delivers a promise: drive, and I'll handle the rest. This is the perfect choice for those seeking a compact, reliable SUV that doesn't surprise you with repair bills. 11. Lexus RX. If the Corolla Cross offers peace of mind within reach, the Lexus RX brings luxury without chaining you to the repair shop. Lexus is renowned for Toyota's durability wrapped in a premium package, and the 2025 RX is the clearest proof. Its starting price of around $48,000 may sound steep, but the average maintenance cost of just $540 per year is remarkably reasonable for a luxury SUV. Many owners say their RX smoothly cruises past 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. What sets it apart is its luxurious interior, excellent sound insulation, and full suite of comfort technologies, all backed by Toyota's rock-solid mechanics that rarely fail. When service is needed, Lexus's U.S. network is highly regarded for quality and professionalism. With a 4-year 50,000-mile warranty and a 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, the RX isn't just a premium SUV. It's a commitment to long-term peace of mind for those who want comfort and luxury while staying smart about costs. 2. Subaru Outback. The name alone conjures images of long roads, snowy trails, or rugged hills. And true enough, the 2025 Outback upholds its reputation as a rock-solid performer. Priced between about $29,000 and $40,000, this midsize SUV delivers durability beyond expectations. Its average maintenance cost is around $600 per year, a great deal for a vehicle equipped with standard all-wheel drive. Many owners report their Outback surpassing 200,000 miles with stable engines, transmissions, and suspensions, as long as they're properly maintained. Another standout feature is its resale value. Outbacks are highly sought after in the used car market due to their renowned reliability, ease of repair, and readily available parts. Plus, Subaru's expanding U.S. service network makes maintenance simpler than ever. With a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the Outback offers not just safety, but true freedom on every journey, from city streets to snow-covered mountains. Stop for 3 seconds and click the channel registration button to support us. 9. Hyundai Tucson. If you thought reliable SUVs only came from Japanese brands, the 2025 Tucson will surprise you. Priced from $28,000 to around $39,000, the Tucson combines modern design, practical comfort, and vastly improved durability over the past decade. Its biggest highlight is the industry-leading 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a bold promise few competitors dare to match. According to RepairPal, average maintenance costs are just $460 per year, well below the segment average. The Tucson's naturally aspirated and hybrid engines are designed for simplicity and durability, minimizing the risk of minor issues common in more complex vehicles. Real-world users note that newer Tucsons rarely suffer from oil leaks, transmission slips, or electrical glitches, problems that plague other SUVs. Additionally, Hyundai's widespread U.S. dealer network ensures parts are always available at reasonable costs. With the Tucson, you're not just buying a practical SUV, you're investing in peace of mind for the long road ahead. 8. Lexus NX. When it comes to luxury vehicles, many worry about endless repair bills. But the 2025 Lexus NX is an exception, blending Lexus refinement with Toyota's durability. It has a starting price of about $41,000 with top-tier models nearing $55,000. Not cheap, but it offers long-term peace of mind in return. According to RepairPal, the average maintenance cost is just $560 per year, remarkably low for the luxury segment. The NX shares Toyota's reliable mechanical platform, reducing the risk of breakdowns and keeping parts costs manageable. Owners report that the NX easily surpasses 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Its quiet, luxurious interior and standard Lexus safety system provide a relaxing driving experience. Lexus's U.S. service network is also highly rated for professionalism, speed, and reasonable costs. Combined with a 4-year 50,000-mile warranty and a 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, the NX is the choice for those who want luxury without turning the joy of driving into a financial burden. 7. Acura MDX. If you're looking for a luxury SUV without becoming best friends with the repair shop, the 2025 MDX is a sleek and smart answer. Built by Acura, Honda's luxury brand, the MDX inherits a reliable, straightforward, and easy-to-maintain mechanical foundation, unlike the complexity of many European models. With a starting price of around $50,000 and top trims reaching $65,000, it comes with an average maintenance cost of just $580 per year, a manageable figure for a mid-size luxury SUV. Many owners say the MDX's 3.5L V6 engine and 10-speed transmission run smoothly and reliably even after hundreds of thousands of miles, as long as they are properly maintained. Additionally, Honda Acura's extensive U.S. dealer network ensures readily available parts, affordable prices, and fast service. The MDX's modern, spacious interior is family-friendly, and standard Acura Watch safety features, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, add to its appeal. With a 4-year 50,000-mile warranty and a 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, the MDX delivers a durable luxury package that few competitors can match. 6. Kia Telluride. If you thought Korean SUVs were only about low prices and lots of features, the 2025 Telluride will change your mind. This 3-row SUV is like a mobile home, with its spacious interior, comfort, and solid performance. Priced from about $37,000 to over $50,000 for the fully loaded model, the Telluride feels like driving a luxury SUV, but at a much more affordable cost. According to RepairPal, the average maintenance cost is just $500 per year, an impressive figure for a large SUV. Many owners report their Tellurides surpassing 150,000 miles with virtually no major issues and are fully capable of reaching 200,000 miles with regular care. A standout feature is Kia's industry-leading 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, giving owners confidence for the long haul. Plus, Kia's expanding U.S. service network makes parts easy to find and reasonably priced. The Telluride isn't just a family SUV, it's a symbol of Kia's remarkable progress, combining reliability, luxury, and lasting value. 5. Toyota Highlander. If you had to pick a gold standard family SUV for 2025, many would name the Highlander. It's not flashy or overly complex, but it's the perfect balance of durability, comfort, and cost. With a starting price of about $39,000 and top trims nearing $50,000, the Highlander feels like a long-term investment. According to RepairPal, maintenance costs average just $520 per year, modest for a 3-row SUV. Many owners push their Highlanders past 200,000 miles with only oil changes, brake checks, and cooling system maintenance. Its 2.5L engine is reliable, with a simple design that minimizes minor issues. The spacious, comfortable interior is ideal for long trips. Toyota backs it with a vast U.S. service network, readily available parts, and reasonable prices. A 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty add extra confidence. The Highlander isn't just an SUV, it's a ticket to peace of mind for those who want to drive without constant worry. 4. Mazda CX-5. If you've ever dreamed of driving a luxury-like vehicle without the wallet-draining costs, the 2025 CX-5 is the gift you've been waiting for. With a starting price of about $29,000 and top trims nearing $40,000, the CX-5 delivers a smooth driving experience and a refined interior, yet its maintenance costs average just $500 per year, surprisingly low. The CX-5's standout feature is its Skyactiv 2.5L engine, available in naturally aspirated or turbocharged versions, renowned for durability and fuel efficiency. Many owners report surpassing 200,000 miles with stable performance, free from common issues like transmission failures or excessive oil consumption. Mazda also shines with its sporty driving feel, responsive steering, balanced handling, nimbleness in the city, and confidence on highways. The CX-5's interior, with soft leather and meticulous details, feels like a German luxury car, but its maintenance bills are far more forgiving. Add a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, and the CX-5 is a smart choice for those who want both enjoyment and long-term peace of mind. 3. Subaru Forester. Mention the Forester, and many think of practicality, durability, and all-terrain capability. The 2025 version upholds that reputation with even more refined details. Starting at about $28,000 with top trims nearing $38,000, the Forester offers a complete value package. Maintenance costs average just $520 per year, lower than many competitors in its class. Its appeal lies in its simple, low-risk mechanics, especially in non-turbo models that avoid complex issues. The standard all-wheel drive system, a Subaru specialty, ensures confidence in rain, snow, or dirt roads, keeping drivers at ease. Many owners share that their Foresters have exceeded 200,000 miles with stable performance, requiring only routine maintenance. Its spacious interior and large windows provide excellent visibility, creating a safe and comfortable experience on any trip. With a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the Forester is an almost foolproof choice for those needing a reliable SUV ready to tackle city streets or mountain trails for a decade. 2. Honda CR-V. If you had to pick an SUV as a lifelong companion, the 2025 CR-V would be a top contender. Priced from about $31,000 to nearly $42,000 for the premium hybrid model, the CR-V strikes a perfect balance of cost, utility, and reliability. According to RepairPal, its average maintenance cost is just $410 per year, the lowest in the compact SUV segment. Many owners confirm the CR-V easily surpasses 200,000 miles or more with stable performance if maintained regularly. Its strength lies in its simple, low-maintenance mechanics, a refined CVT transmission, and a hybrid system that balances fuel efficiency with durability. The spacious interior, comfortable rear seats, and flexible cargo space make the CR-V ideal for families. Plus, its resale value consistently ranks among the highest, giving you confidence even if you decide to trade it in years later. With a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the CR-V is like a safe investment, economical, durable, and most importantly, providing peace of mind on every journey. 1. Toyota RAV4. The king of durability in the SUV world, the 2025 RAV4 continues to solidify its position as the top choice for those seeking a decade of worry-free driving. Starting at about $31,000 with top trims exceeding $43,000, the RAV4 delivers an experience that's virtually surprise-free. According to RepairPal, average maintenance costs are just $450 per year, remarkably low for the value it provides. Many owners report their RAV4s easily surpassing 250,000 miles with basic maintenance like oil changes, brake checks, and air filter replacements. The key lies in its 2.5L 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, a simple, robust design that avoids risks from turbochargers or dual-clutch systems. Its practical interior features clear mechanical buttons and durable materials, not flashy but built to last. Paired with a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the RAV4 is the gold standard for family SUVs, economical, high in resale value, and proof that simplicity is often the key to durability. The list of the 12 most worthwhile SUVs for 2025 reveals a clear truth. Durability and affordability are the core values. From the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V to the Lexus RX, these vehicles prove that a reliable SUV not only saves you from $1,000 repair bills, but also brings peace of mind on every journey. These are smart choices for anyone looking to invest once and enjoy years of worry-free driving. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.